All right, welcome back. Welcome back to the part two of this. All right, without wasting our time, let's get started from where we stopped in the last module. All right, so what you want to do now is to actually we want to talk about the test. The test is also very important. It's very important. So when you click on the test, so you write anything, 3D logo at its finest. Or let me just write 3D logo. So I can write 3D logo here. So then you can notice it is almost, I'm almost not seeing it because of it's white. All right, so when you want to edit your test like this, you click on this edit, then you have a lot of options. So you can add colors, you can edit it, like you can change what you are writing. So you can add color, you can change the font, you can align it, you can animate your test. These are what we'll be doing with this particular test here. All right, we'll be testing every single thing out. So the next is the color. So we want it to be black or you want it to be red. I'll go for the red option. So then what you need to take note of here are these different templates that are already available for you that you can use. You can simply tap on it. You can see this, tap on it. You can see this beautiful already made design if you don't want to disturb yourself. But me, I won't be going for any of these. I just want my, and if you want to back out, you just click on this white button. So and you can see that. So I'm just going for normal color to explain the rest for you. So then we have the border. Even if I go for the white color, we have the border and you can click on the black. You can see this, the border means the outline of the test. Do you understand? You can simply check it out. You can check it out. On my test, I want it to be red, then I want the outline, the border to be white, to be black rather. You can see this is coming out very hugely. And you can even add the shadow. You can have the shadow to I think you can add the shadow, yes, to actually beautify your design more. Then you click on the color. I click on the black color right now, the black. You can see this. Then you can adjust the opacity. You can adjust the blurriness. So you can adjust the where you want the stuff to be. I want you to make it closer to the test so that it won't be noticeable. This is looking very amazing. So you have the label also. You can put any label on your design, but I'm not using label. All right, so the opacity, how you want the test to be light or you want it to be transparent. You want it to be transparent. Anyhow, this is usable for watermarks that's always below the videos, right? So you can do any of these with the color session, right? You can do any of these with the color session. So now let's move to the font session. So you can change your font. Any of these fonts is usable. You can change it easily to any of these fonts. So I'll use this. I think I love this. So you can you can edit your text. You can make it more bigger. Just press like make sure you click on that particular thing and long press on that particular place and extend it, pinch it, and you'll be able to get out this works. Then the next on the list, on this particular list, we have gone through this. Then the remaining one is this. So you can align your text. You can you can increase the text size manually, and you can increase like the spacing of your text. Then the line, if you have maybe like 2 line text, you can separate the spaces also with this also. Then the animation, the more important part, you can do the same exact thing we did with the sticker. You can do it for the test also. You can see this, you can see this, you can see this, a lot. Anything you want to do, anything, you can see this. So you can choose the loop button for your test to be doing animation. But I love this. This is amazing. So the out also comes in, then goes out like that. Is that so that's all about the test. So let me just place it on top. All right, so when
I lost $10,000 and it's not what you say.
You can
I
see
lost
that. So you can do more, you can do more, I'm just showing you how this works. All right, so click on the back button so that we can exit this. That's how to add text to your videos. All right, so with this text option, you can subtitle your videos. You can subtitle your videos. You just play the subtitle. When you finish subtitling, so maybe like I want to use this as my subtitle. Maybe like I want to do a subtitle now, or maybe I want to be explaining about what the person is saying.
For example, and it's not what you say. I lost $10,000.
He said he lost $10,000. Then I'll just click on 10. This text, I lost $10,000. $10,000. You can see that. Oh, I clicked on back without. Sorry, I lost $10,000. That's okay. So you click on this mark button, and I lost $10,000. You can see that.
I lost $10,000 because.
You can see that. Then you can adjust it below. You can adjust it below here. Play it.
You say I lost $10,000 because.
You can see. Then you tally it with what is saying, and you can even place it here. You can, if it's white, anyhow you want to do it, you can place it anyhow. So I know you are creative. You can watch videos on how to on how videos like this for you to know more about that. All right, so let's click on the back button. Then we have the filter. This filter is just to change is like, let's check the effect. So the effect for this is to zoom in. This one is to make your video to be shaking, but this is like a glitch. So this is a pro feature. I don't really use this anyways. So this filter, so you can change this. So just walk your way around. It's just changing of the videos filters to see any one that I will go with the original, right? I'll go with the original. So the PIP, you don't need that. It's just like having an overlay. It's overlay. So you want to bring in another photo, right? So that's what the PIP, or another video into your video. Do you understand? So that's what the PIP does, right? So duration is for you to, like, the particular, if you want to edit your duration, so you can edit your duration for each and every clip. So if the clip is 3, you can increase it to 5 seconds, you can increase it to 20 seconds. It depends on your own choice, maybe the length of your video you want it to be. So we have explained about this split, delete, and background. So this speed also, the speed is to tell you, okay, for now, like for this clip, actually, let me say, maybe this clip, you can see it's still slow. If you want it to be like, if you want the clip to be in motion, like in slow motion, this is the speed. You use the speed button. If you want your video to be very, very fast, you also use the speed button. So click on this speed, and you can see, if you extend it, it will be more faster. You can see that it's now fast. You can see that this is now fast. So if you want it to be slow, just come back here like this. You will see it's very, very extremely slow. You can see that it's in slow motion. You can see. So this is normal. The one is normal. That black button, that's the normal one. So that's what you can do with that. All right. So you know what you can do with the background. We've talked about the background. If you want to crop your videos, so you want to change the format, this is where you come into and change that. So the volume is to increase the volume or to decrease the volume. If you want to replace any of your videos, you replace it here. You can see this replace button here. So I'm sorry about that. So if you want to replace any of your buttons, that's where you replace it. So, and you can see the replace button here. So this replace button here. So, and also so you can duplicate your videos. If you want to duplicate it, I've already explained about that. So now this reverse duplicating is just like copying. You want to copy this video again. So if you want, you can set your video into reverse. Like as this guy is going forward, we can make him be coming backward. So just click on reverse, then it will start doing the, but this will take a longer time. Let me use the shorter one, the short one here. So just click on reverse and it should be done within few seconds now. If that would take time, I won't do it. You can test it out later. It's just reversing. I think this is taking time, so it will just reverse your clip actually, so nothing much. So, and this is the end. This is the end. If you want to flip the video, you want him to be going the, like you can see this is amazing. You want to be going to the right direction, you play this. You want to be going to the left direction, you just, that's the usefulness of flip. Now I know you are very, very creative, but I want you to be more and more creative. What I want you to do, like I would even say this in the voice note, I want you to create stock videos. Find a motivational video that talks about something, or any videos that talk about something, maybe the real person talking there, right? So extract that particular audio and find stock videos that are related to that particular audio, then create amazing design. I want to see your amazing work, your creativity. So now you have to put in tests, you have to animate everything, make sure everything goes well to each other. All right, see you in the next one.